How to back up your wallets on the Smart Wallet app. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open Smart Wallet on your device, then what you need to do is just go ahead and tap on Settings and head over to My Wallets. Once you go to My Wallets, just go ahead and tap on Your Wallet and tap on Backup Wallet option. You can just go ahead and tap on it. The next step you want to do is tap on this box over here and you need to press and hold to see the phrases. So go ahead and press and hold to see the phrase. Just go ahead and copy the phrase one by one on a page with your pen. So after you are done, you can just go ahead and tap on Next and you can check your note and you can select the recovery phrase in the correct order. Once you do this, just go ahead and tap on Next, and this is how easy it is to back up your wallet on the Smart Wallet app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.